If you've ever run out of time in a chess game and wished chess.com could warn you a little sooner, this tutorial is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable low time warning on chess.com so you can get visual and audible alerts when your clock is running low. This is a really helpful accessibility feature, and it can make a big difference in fast games, blitz, and bullet. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open chess.com in your browser and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to go to the Settings area. The fastest way to do that is to head directly to the Accessibility Settings page. You can find it by going to chess.com, Settings, then Accessibility. On this page, you'll see options designed to improve the playing experience, including the Low Time Warning feature. Now look for the setting called Low Time Warning. This is the option that gives you visual and audible warnings when you're running low on time during a game. It's especially useful if you tend to focus so hard on your position that you lose track of the clock. With this turned on, chess.com can help remind you before your time gets too low. Go ahead and enable the low time warning setting. Depending on your account layout, this may be a toggle or a checkbox. Once you turn it on, the feature should be active right away, and you don't usually need to restart anything. After that, your account is ready to give you those low time alerts while you play. To make sure it works, start a game with a fast time control, like blitz or bullet, and watch for the warning as your clock drops. You should notice the visual cue, and in some cases an audible warning as well. If you don't see it immediately, double-check that you're still in the accessibility settings and that the feature is enabled for your account. This is a simple setting, but it can be incredibly useful if you want a little extra help managing time in fast-paced games. It can reduce time losses, help you stay aware during intense positions, and make your chess.com experience a lot more convenient. So that's it. You now know how to enable low time warning on chess.com. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a big impact on your games. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and leave a comment if you want to see more chess.com tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.